Welcome everyone to our next online SAP learning tutorial series. Here in this tutorial, we will see how to create operating concern in SAP. So operating concern is the highest organizational unit in the profitability analysis, COPA. It defines the market segment characteristics. Example, you can take product, customer, region, and value fields. You can take revenue cost for which we want to analyze the profitability. So let's create the operating concern here. Enter transaction code KEA0 in SAP command box. Then press enter here. Enter your operating concern code here. Then click on create icon. Click on continue. Enter the description here. Select this margin analysis. Then click on create to create the data structure here. Okay, first we need to save the data here. Then click on create. And here you can see the characteristic list which we will add this data structure as per our requirement. I'll be selecting one. Suppose I am selecting this customer group here. Transfer this customer group to our data structure. Then go to data structure here. Click on activate. It will take some time to update this data structure. So you can see below all objects for this structure is activated. Then press back. And you can see the data structure status is green here. Then go to environment. You can see the status of this operating concern is red here. So we will activate cross client part and the client specific part also. Click on activate here. Check below message if all that with circulated function cannot be executed. So go to the data structure once again here. Click on change. First click on save here. Go to the data structure again. Press back here. It's in red status. Go to the data structure again here. Click on activate. I will take some another structure here. will take will to party. I will remove this customer group here. Go to extras, characteristic, unlock this, click on continue, remove this, and go to the data structure, activate it again. It will take some time to update. Okay, then go to environment here, then press back. Status, you can see the data structure is green. Click on save first. Then go to the environment here, check the attributes here, enter the currency, then fiscal period here, then click on save. Then go to the environment and click on client specific part here. It's generating here. This status should be always green for this operating, for your operating concern. So first I am activating the client specific part, then I will go to the cross client part. First time it will take some time. So you can see the status over here, the green for the cross client and the client specific. So by this way you can create operating concern, you can update the data structure, or you can activate the data structure for your operating concern. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe our channel on YouTube.